Hey guys, welcome back to Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have one we've never seen on this desk before, and this is a Swatch irony watch. It has a chrono. You'll notice this one has a little crystal defect. Looks like maybe it just hit something right here and just made a little shatter right there. So we do have that to contend with on this one. Otherwise, this one's in great shape, runs good. Chrono works fine. These buttons now, one thing we did have to do on this was to, there you can see it's starting to move, and we can stop, then we can clear. Yeah, so start and stop with the bottom one, or I'm sorry, I messed that up. Start and stop with the top one, and it'll start ticking off the seconds with this blue second hand here, and then we can stop it, and then we can clear it with the bottom button. We want to set these hands back to 0. Let's start with this blue one. The crown has two positions. It has 1 out and then 2 out, I'll call it. So let's get 1 out, which is barely out. Let's go 2 just to make sure. Okay, that's 2. And then let's go in. Right there, we're out 1. So we should be able to press this top one and see some movement. Now what we're seeing movement on is this dial right here. So we can hold this in and get that, whoa, right there, and it does a fast spin, and then we can hit it individually and do a short spin. Now we try the bottom one. We can reset the blue line. So let's hold that in and get it back to 0 to where we get close. The individual clicks, we'll get it right back there, and then we push our crown in. So that's how you go through and you reset those hands back to 0. Not real hard. It took me a while to figure that out. You can see it's pretty intuitive. This one's nice, has a leather band, nice leather band. I don't know how old this one is. Don't really know a lot about this watch. Battery was pretty easy to replace. You just take a quarter or something and spin that and pop the old one out and the new one in. These Swatches do take different kinds or different batteries. It's like a 392, I want to say, or 390, something like that. Don't quote me on that one, but you'll pull, when you pull yours out, you'll see. Yeah, the only thing really wrong is this, that crazy crystal. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little tiny shatter. Otherwise, this watch is in just fantastic shape. Beautiful watch. Nice fashion watch, I'll call it. But let's get some specs on it, and we'll wrap this one up, because that's really all there is to it. Setting time on this is pretty normal from a normal analog watch. Case size, we got about 40 almost. Lug to lug. We got about a 43. Let's do a case thickness on this. We're about 12. Let's see, what's our bandwidth here? Because that's about our lug width. It's about 21. So pretty, not a small watch, substantial watch. Let's get some macro shots of this. That way you can see this crystal defect a little better, and maybe some shots on the wrist, and we'll wrap this one up. I think this one's going to go in the for sale pile. Don't think I would wear this a lot. It is a beautiful watch, but not really what I wear. It's probably not durable enough for for the crazy stuff that I do around here. So check out the rest of the playlists we have on here. Wristwatch Wednesday. We go over tons of watches we get in here. A lot of these we sell, a lot of these we keep and collect. A lot of budget watches. We love those. Check out the rest of those. A lot of videos on here. Also, check out the do-it-yourself, DIY, fixes, and all that stuff I do on this channel. Lots of fun. Yeah, just keeping it going. Anyway, glad you guys are watching. Thanks for participating. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get some close-ups and some shots on the wrist, and we'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, guys.